Today I am going to share spicy and sweet honey chicken wings recipe. It's so delicious. Chicken wings marination preparation. Egg 1. Soy sauce 1 tablespoon. Hot chili sauce 1.5 tablespoon. Paprika 1 tablespoon. Chili flakes 1 tablespoon. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Dry herbs 1 teaspoon. Garlic powder 1 tablespoon. Salt to taste. Mix well. Chicken wings. Cut it in metal and make it 2 pieces. Add chicken wings. Mix together. Cover and rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, add flour 1 cup. Mix well. Cover for 10 minutes. Sauce preparation. Mayonnaise 1 cup. Hot chili sauce 2 tablespoon. Sweet chili sauce 1.5 tablespoon. Ketchup 1 tablespoon. Honey 2 tablespoon. Paprika 1 teaspoon. Mix well. Done. Keep aside. After 10 minutes, mix again. Fry. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Done. Shake excess oil. Add prepared sauce on top of fried chicken wings. Mix. Garnish with sesame seed and coriander leaf. Ready to serve. Thanks for watching.